Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see the max level that you can get in Monopoly Go. So the first step would be to basically open the app and be on the same page that I'm on here. Now from here you just want to go in the bottom right corner and select friends. Now if you're signed into Apple or got an actual account with friends, you will see all your friends here, but we just want to go to leaderboard on the right. Now by default this will show you the leaderboard with you and your friends, but what we want to select is global. From here, this will show us the highest level players in the game. And as you can see, Plunderer is number 1 with just under 18,000. So you can use this leaderboard to look through and see the highest level people in Monopoly Go in the world. Obviously, the max level goes up all the time, so this will constantly be updating and there will always be a new player at the top of the list depending how much they play. So I hope you found this video helpful and I hope you now know what the highest level there is in Monopoly Go. If you did find this video helpful, please comment down below to say that it helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.